Hello and welcome everyone to this one-of-a-kind gathering for what is quite frankly a one-of-a-kind book, I think. Welcome especially to this absolutely awesome galaxy of educators who have collaborated on this book project. I urge everyone to check out their bios in the book or online to get a sense for their outstanding work in the field of computer science education. We will hear firsthand from many of them today. And I have to say that this book really reflects this. It speaks to the spirit of collaboration in this amazing computer science education community. So this handbook has been created primarily with teachers in mind to help them understand what teaching intro programming is all about. And we tried very hard to stay true to these adjectives that we have put in here that we share very often, and I think it's on the back of the book as well, and produce a resource that bridges what we know from years of classroom practice and research to date to actionable ideas for the classroom. And in case you've not had a chance to check out the book, one of the cool things, of course, about it is the A to Z organization of the 26 chapters. And we will hear about each of these chapters today, which is what is so great about this gathering. There's a foreword written by Mark Guzdial. It provides a very meaningful backdrop to this book. It talks about this moment that we're in and why teaching CS in schools is a challenge, and how this book brings together all that a CS teacher needs to know about teaching intro programming. And there's a preface, a rather long one, and I would recommend anybody and everybody reading this book to actually read that first, because it provides a lot of guidance on understanding the way this book is organized and what it's all about and how to use it. And it explains how this book aims to help build teacher pedagogical content knowledge, or PCK. And we discuss content and pedagogy, and we share what we know from research on aspects of learning various CS topics that students often find difficult. And it's very heartwarming to see tweets like this. This is from someone I don't know who tweeted this yesterday, saying that has somebody been hiding all the PCK materials for CS? And so since the book, aimed to fill exactly that need, it was really nice to see this written yesterday. So the table of contents has the preface has an alternate table of contents, which, as you know from the color version of the book, it's color coded. The chapters are color coded by concept and practice and pedagogy. And so a teacher reading the book might decide to tackle the book by color. There are a few chapters that have this overarching quality. I just want to call them out. They're sort of umbrella chapters in that they speak to a broader view of this enterprise than the other chapters. And these are the ones on programming languages, misconceptions, our learning goals, what we want students to take away from K-12 CS learning experience, and formative assessment. So with that, my 3-minute intro, I think, to this book is done. And if everybody is ready, we will jump into the chapters right away.